Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to validate text area field for alphanumeric value and space in contact form 7 using custom code. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are using contact form 7 and this is our text area field. So we are going to validate this field for alphabet, number and space. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open, scroll down, you can add title, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Now in code you see add filter, validate text area. Again you see add filter, validate text area, and then you see static. So we are going to add validation for text area. Now you see, now go to form. So this is our form, contact form 7, and then you see tag your hyphen message. Now copy. So we are going to use this tag in our code. Now back to code, and then in code function name. So this is our function name, and then you see your message. So this is our tag. Also you see tag here, your message. Also you see this position. So your hyphen message on 3 location, and then you see match alphabet, and then you see 09, and then you see message. Allowed characters are alphanumeric only, and then you see, so we are going to match alphabet, then we are going to match number. We are using OR condition. Now you see, and then you see name of the input, space. So this is for space, and then you see message must contain alphabets and number only. So you can add your text area tag here. Now scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. So by using this code, special character not allowed, only space allow. Now you see snippet created and saved. Go to form page and refresh the page. So we are going to fill this form. So we added some information, and then in text area section you see alphabet, special character, and then you see number. So click on submit, and then you see allowed characters are alphanumeric only. So special character not allowed, only space allow. Now remove, add another special character underscore, again click on submit. Now you see one or more field have an error. Now remove this. So you can add alphabet or you can add number. If you add any special character, then this form not submit. Now remove number, click on submit. Now you see form submission done. So this text area only allow alphabet or number or space. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.